Hi guys, have you ever heard of Base blockchain and wondered what it is? In this video, I will explain it in the simplest way possible for beginners. No stress, no jargon, so let's get started. Base is a blockchain built by Coinbase. Yes, the big crypto exchange. It helps make crypto apps faster, cheaper, and easier to use. Think of Base as a shortcut that helps you use Ethereum without the high gas fees. So why did Coinbase create Base? Coinbase wanted to make crypto easier for everyone. They also wanted to help developers build cool apps without stress. They wanted to keep things secure and connected to Ethereum. Is Base safe? Yes. Base is built on optimism, a layer 2 network that works with Ethereum, so it's secure, fast and less expensive. And since Coinbase is behind it, trust levels are high. How to use Base? Using Base is easy. Just connect your wallet like Phantom or MetaMask. Bridge your Ethereum to Base. You can also send Base Ethereum from centralized exchanges to your personal wallets, and boom, you are ready to explore Base apps. So what can you do on Base? You can trade tokens, use DeFi, buy NFTs, play games, and with fast and cheaper transactions. Base is like giving Ethereum superpowers. If this explanation actually helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy crypto guides like this.